It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
Luna was born from NASA when in 1994, following 2 decades of space missions, NASA released its plans for the first manned deep space exploration to Mars. But before even planning for takeoff, NASA had a problem: ethylene gas. Whilst ethylene is a naturally occurring hormone produced by fruits and vegetables to signal when to ripen on Earth, in a sealed environment of a space shuttle, its buildup becomes toxic. So toxic, in fact, that it will destroy those same fruits and vegetables. So, NASA had to find a solution. The same scientific minds at NASA who developed pioneering technologies, including hydroponics to grow fruits and vegetables in space, now had to develop a technology to protect them. They developed a unique air purifying technology called photocatalytic oxidation, using UV light in the presence of a titanium dioxide catalyst to create a reaction removing the ethylene from the air and turning it into water, oxygen, and harmless carbon dioxide. And it worked. Free from ethylene and other harmful biological microorganisms, astronauts could now survive in space for months and years at a time. This was only the beginning. So successful was the technology that it soon came to the attention of Professor Ghosh and his team of scientists at West Texas A&M University and Dr. Jeff Bennett. Together, they created the Luna Foundation to conduct further research into this unique technology to make it suitable for application here on Earth. And it worked. With the use of a special hydrating gel and nanotechnology, they created Luna's advanced hydrated PCO-TiO2 5-metal nano-nickel catalyst. In other words, they added a turbo. And it performed beyond all expectations. Luna's state-of-the-art, award-winning design and patented technology first began its commercial journey in the fruits and vegetables industry. Removal of ethylene is essential here also to keep perishables fresh from the time of harvest to the supermarket shelf. Research shows that up to 30% of perishables are lost in wastage before reaching the consumer. Not anymore. The math is simple: less shrinkage and more profit. For leading supermarkets and the consumer, it was great news that all produce benefits from this super technology. Apples, bananas, oranges, all glowed with vitality, indicating farm freshness. Odors from chili peppers and onions no longer filled the air. Instead, customers were greeted with clean, crisp, fresh air. Next was the floral industry. Florists reported that by installing Luna technology in their stores, cut flowers lasted for up to 15 days longer. Professor Ghosh and his team of scientists now push the boundaries further, putting Luna through its toughest test yet: MRSA. The world's greatest scientists and doctors have so far struggled to control the spread of this antibiotic-resistant superbug. It worked here as well. Tests proved Luna eliminates MRSA as well. With these results in mind, Luna was put to the test once again against other types of bacteria, microscopic organisms, and VOCs. Legionnaire's disease, check. Whooping cough, check. Pneumonia, check. Mycobacterium tuberculosis, check. Volatile organic compounds, check. Mold spores, check. Fungi spores, check. Pollen, check. Dust, check. Animal dander, check. Tobacco smoke and odors, check. What about viruses? Rhinoviruses, check. Rubella, check. Meningitis, check. Coronaviruses including SARS, check. The common flu, check. H1N1 swine flu, check. And H5N1 bird flu, check. Luna kills them all, leaving 99.997% clean air. Luna emits trillions of friendly nano-sized negative ions into the air. These negative ions will destroy any impurities upon contact, in the air or on surfaces. Negative ions emitted from Luna can only affect single-celled microorganisms, making negative ions emitted 100% safe, just as found in mountain air, sea air, and by waterfalls. Humans are multi-cell organisms, therefore there are no side effects from Luna. Sensitive to allergens, over 300 million people now suffer from asthma-related problems worldwide. In tests, patients with Luna protection showed a dramatic reduction in rhinitis, sinusitis, conjunctivitis, sneezing, shortness of breath, and other effects of asthmatic attack. These findings led to Luna being approved and recognized by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration and classified as a Class II medical device, and in the European Union as a CE Class I medical device. Most hospitals use HEPA filters in their air control systems. However, HEPA filters only work up to 0.3 microns, allowing many viruses to pass through. Filters are breeding grounds for viruses and bacteria where they multiply and mutate to be released into the atmosphere when changing or cleaning. Remember, Luna has no filters and works up to 0.001 microns. Luna technology is beneficial in every area of a hospital or clinic. Surgeons also report a reduction in post-operative and hospital-acquired infections with Luna protection. Luna also benefits all other healthcare sectors. Leading laboratories also found that installing Luna leads to more accurate test results. Luna works in all areas of education from nurseries to universities. Tests from West Texas A&M University show a whopping 56% of our energy comes from breathing clean, fresh air, increasing concentration levels and reducing fatigue. Luna works in buildings from the world's tallest to the very smallest, protecting your company from sick building syndrome. Just one sick employee can infect an entire workforce and cost millions. In today's world, we spend on average between 85 to 90% of our time indoors. All indoor environments benefit from Luna. While staying in a hotel, bacteria and viruses can be left behind after checking out. Following a fatal SARS outbreak in 2002, traces of the virus were found 2 weeks later. Surveys show that guests are increasingly willing to pay a premium for clean air purified rooms, leading to early ROI. When traveling in cramped and crowded conditions, viruses can spread easily from one person to another. Modern transport enables man to travel in a few hours around the globe, leading to pandemics. Storage facilities, food processing, bottling plants, and logistics all benefit from Luna's unique protection. Now you may be asking, how can one machine achieve all this? The answer is that Luna was born from NASA-developed technology. It has no filters so it won't wear out. It never needs cleaning, and it produces no harmful byproducts. It is 100% made in the USA and comes with a 2-year warranty. Luna technology is unique and patented. Engineered to be green, it uses less than half the energy of a standard 100-watt light bulb. No other product on the market today has Luna's NASA-developed enhanced technology. Comparing any other air purification system to Luna would be like comparing a child's mind to that of Professor Stephen Hawking. Plug in tomorrow's technology today. Welcome to the world of Luna.